Hey gardeners, are you ready to turn your garden into a buzzing, blooming paradise this spring? Because I've got the ultimate list for you. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 Midwest native plants that pollinators absolutely adore. And trust me, number 1 is going to blow your mind. Let's kick things off at number 5 with the classic purple coneflower. This tough perennial loves soaking up the sun and thrives in well-drained soil. Butterflies, bees, even goldfinches can't get enough of those bold, daisy-like blooms from summer all the way to fall. It's a pollinator magnet. Coming in at number 4, it's wild bergamot, better known as bee balm. This easygoing beauty loves a bit of morning sun and moist soil, but honestly, it's super forgiving. When it bursts into bloom in midsummer, hummingbirds, native bees, and even moths can't stay away from those lavender flowers. And the scent? Absolutely incredible. Number 3 is the show-stopping butterfly milkweed. Don't let the name fool you. This plant is anything but a nuisance. Its bright orange flowers love full sun and dry, sandy soil. Monarch butterflies depend on it for nectar, and if you want to help their amazing life cycle, this is a must-have for your backyard. Number 2. Black-eyed Susan. These bright, cheerful yellow flowers light up any garden and thrive in almost any well-drained soil. Bumblebees, honeybees, butterflies, you name it, they all show up. It's a pollinator party every day. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, number 1 is going to shock you. It's the prairie blazing star. This absolute stunner explodes with purple spikes in late summer, drawing in everything from swallowtail butterflies to native bees and even hummingbirds. Planted in full sun with average soil, and get ready for a pollinator parade you won't believe. So, which one are you planting first? I can't wait to hear. Drop your pick in the comments, and make sure to subscribe.